Hey, what's up? This is K for After Effects tutorial channel. Today I want to show you what is important features in After Effects 2023. The most important is select track matte layers by nodes or parent web, and the second is how to export directly from After Effects MP4 format H.264 encoding. And there is the next composition presets, new animation presets, how to control your timeline by fast keyframes controlling, how to import directly your 3D model OBJ by creating Cinema 4D files. Let's start. There's After Effects. So when you create a new composition, there is the most important is you can select your presets size, directly frame per second, and the next, when you select your composition, press U for all your keyframes, animated keyframes, and you can jump, press Shift J K, controlling your keyframes on timeline. So the next is for controlling your track matte masking. There is the text. Turn off the motion blur, select your text, and there is the mask. Just parent web your mask directly, track matte it. And the next is when you want to export that to media encoder, there is the format of H.264 directly MP4 from After Effects, and for fast exporting. And the next is text animation. When you want to animate your text like matrix effects, just right here, glitchy text decoder. There is a lot of presets worked on it, and play. And don't forget, there is another effect for your title, just right here, 3D, a lot of 3D presets. And the next is animated elements, like what? Right here, a row, and drop in your composition and play. Don't forget, select your shape and change the stroke color. Press Ctrl, slowly down the stroke weights. Okay guys, don't forget like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.